According to your sun sign, here's what you need to leave behind in the coming year. As we prepare to welcome the new energy in the brand new year of 2022, we need to empty ourselves of people, situation, patterns that haven't worked for us or worked for us anymore. Letting go or leaving behind does not mean we are weak. It means we are brave and strong enough to accept it's time to let go. In this reading, we shall concentrate on what we need to leave behind for all the sun signs. Aries, take responsibility for your actions of the past, lest they will return to haunt you. Examine all aspects of your current situation before moving away from it. Loose end that needs to be tied up is concerning property and land. Taurus, the expansion in any area of your life comes from an exchange of ideas with whom you are looking to grow. Your preoccupation for doing things on your own needs to be worked on. Loose end that needs to be tied up is concerning working in groups. Gemini, you are about to receive what you want. There is an inner expansion and leads to new ideas, objectives and potentials. Loose end that you need to work on is breaking barriers and moving past your comfort zone. Cancer, you shall be seeing a situation at hand from an entirely new point of view. Take a pause, still yourself for it to sink in. What you need to cut loose is the fear that makes you stick to the old patterns. Leo, you shall be seeing situation with empathetic qualities. You need a person who understands everyone's problem, an encouraging person to be around you. What you need to cut loose, not to leave your needs behind, time to leave that mindset behind. Virgo, careful planning, making good choices and keeping your eye on the prize is what you need to do. Plot a course of action. What you need to cut loose is letting others interfere with your vision you have for a situation. Libra, your journey and experience begins again, fresh, with new adventures, new lessons, awakening your inner fire of intention. What you need to cut loose is being a people pleaser. Scorpio, rooting in the present moment and focusing on passion and bringing out the best in others and self is what you will continue to do. What you need to cut loose is tying your dreams in the subconscious realms, which in turn will burst into flames and burn out of control. Sagittarius, the unfolding of the mind, body and spirit with deep gratitude and sense of liveliness is happening to you. What you need to cut loose is attachment and desperation and refusal to let a relationship end. Capricorn, engage in your inner landscape without fear. Your instincts are sharp right now and so is your inner voice clear. What you need to cut loose is superficiality and hasty decision making. Aquarius, presently you have an opportunity to change old emotional patterns and habit once and for all. What you need to cut loose is your over dependency on these emotions and your fear to cut them loose. Pisces, you will be redefining past happenings by events through your point of view, thoughts and feelings. You need to consider how these thoughts are serving you. What you need to cut loose is negative thinking, self-blame and shame.